Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup look, and this time it's the golden glam look. Since the wedding season is around the corner, so I thought why not create something which will help everyone. So in order to learn the tutorial, just follow through the steps and continue watching. So let's do this. I've tied my hair, primed my skin and prepped it, and also roughly made my eyebrows, and now I'll start with foundation. For foundation today I'm using MAC Studio Fix foundation. This has SPF 15. Also this foundation has medium to full coverage and it is a buildable foundation. And I'm taking my damp beauty blender and spreading the foundation all over. For concealing and highlighting today I'm using my LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and this is shade Natural. Blending it using the same beauty blender. To set everything in place, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. Please ignore the condition, it's a little worn out. I'm using a fluffy brush to set everything in place. And I'm doing it very gently. I'm putting little amount of loose powder under my eyes to prevent any fallouts. Moving on to eyes now, I'm using this shade Bake as my transition shade. I'm going back and forth in the same motion with a very light hand and using this fluffy brush from Morphe. To deepen my crease a little bit, I'm going to use this color Unreal from Morphe palette. You know the drill now, dusting off extra and always starting from outer corner. Also be little careful with dark colors because they tend to form a patch, so you always have to start with less consistency and then go on building them.
Going back and forth in swiping motions.
Moving on for lids, I'm using this palette from Urban Decay. This is Crystal Neon palette and I'll show you how it looks. So that's how the whole palette looks. Swatching the color for you guys. Just look at the pigmentation. This is black and this is yellow gold. Just see how black it is and how pigmented it is. I'm using a flat shader brush for this application and just very lightly patting the color on my lid. For today's look, I'm going to use this intense black color in my outer corners. Removing the excess color Be very careful with this black. If you have a similar palette or a similar intense black color, just be careful with the consistency because they tend to form a patch, especially the very dark colors like this one. I'm trying to create a little V over here, so I'm taking my brush and stroking it upwards and not downwards. So that this is what you have to remember. I'll quickly finish my lower lids and I'll pretty much repeat the same process. First I'm using this color and then in the outer corners I'm gonna use this color. I'm joining both the lines from the corners, outer corners. Just trying to diffuse the whole look. I'm using a nude pencil in my waterlid. I'm using the same golden color in my inner corners. For mascara, I'm using They Are Real from Benefit, and this is a small packaging. So guys, I'm finally done with my eyes and now I'll quickly complete rest of the makeup off camera. So guys, I'm back and this is the final look. I am totally loving it. I have put all the focus on my eyes and kept my lips and my cheeks very minimal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my social media. I have listed the details in the section below. And yeah, that's all. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy and stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.